Hello again. Hello. Um. s- So, I think it was a few videos back or a video back. I reviewed the two others, doofuses of Combiner Wars, Superion. The lighting here. And yeah, I reviewed those two, and now I'm going to review these two other doofuses. So, he died. So, yeah, we got these two. Okay. So, first of all, combine these two are very similar. Like very, very similar. But anyway, so we have first here, what's his name? Airade. Airade is pretty cool. I guess he's G1. I mean, accurate to the original one and the cartoon model, but not really. They added these. I'm not sure if the original toy had these gold, like bronze things, but they have bronze and a bit of detailing here. We have more details. I think. Zoom in. Let's see. He has missiles. He also has this because it's knockoff. So, and he has hole for peg hole. But yeah, that's about it. Details. He died. You know what? He's on the floor now. So we have here. He's basically the knees are I think the same. Yeah, the knees are the same. I just realized that the knees are just literally just the same. So yeah, we have more details. He has very upper, like wide torso. He has again missiles and knockoff, and again a hole for pegging in. And he has a bit more detailing here. And yeah, he looks like. Wait, did I say? Yeah, skydive. Let me. Okay, so here it is again. He fell into the floor. I mean, I knocked him, but yeah. Okay, so who should we start with? Oh, sorry, him. So, air raid is very strange. So actually, here's the new one. I'll show him. I'll show him off later. I'll show him off later. No. So yeah. So air raid here. His articulation. Start with the head. Head. He has 360 in a ball joint. He can wiggle a little bit. He was very loose. The head. He looked always sad and down for some reason. He still kind of does, but it's, arms. They can go like this. They can go out and in. They have they also were loose. I had to put stuff here. They also rotate and bicep with mushroom peg and Rashidon elbows. What? This is weird. Some of them were Rashided. I'll talk about that now. But some of them were Rashided, some of them weren't. And it's like one I think was I don't remember who was it, but one of them I think was like was it this thing? Yeah, it was him. He's not his. This arm's Rashided, but this one isn't. So weird. But yeah, this is very strange. But anyway, this. Let me get a bit closer. Yeah, it's correct. Yay. That's amazing. I mean, this is a knockoff, so he's looking at the camera like, But yeah, it's correct. I will probably fix that if it doesn't make the elbow harder and solid. But yeah, it's very annoying. But yeah, we got elbow, knockoff. We also have a waist joint, full waist joint. We also got hand foot gun. Oh, just a guy he can kick. Hit Wait, before I get into that, you have this very squeaky. I don't like that noise. It's very loud, but yeah, again, that's very annoying. I love this design, but like, it's not fun to mess with all these issues. I don't want to risk this breaking. I don't want to risk that. It sounds ugh. And this is very loose. This one's the one who's loose, but this one's fine, I guess. But yeah, we have knee. And yeah, that's that being said, that's let me get him a cool action pose if I can, if he doesn't die. There, don't fall over. Yeah, I got him in that cool action pose. Okay, so then you put him on the floor. There. Okay, so what was his name again? Wait, I forgot. Yeah, I get mixed up. What was his name? Oh yeah, Skydive. So Skydive here. He's basically just the same. Yeah, that's all I have to say. But you can also do this, which I guess you can do, which looks weird. It's compressed, like. He's just doing that. Also, you can do that. That's the only difference. And yeah. So transformation in between. Okay, that's weird. It's different. Don't. He died again. So transformation. That's where it's a bit different in the engineering. He has different engineering than this dude. But most of that is just the same. It's only the arms and that's about it, I think. But yeah, let's start with him again. Like, put him here. Okay, so it's just typical Combiner Wars aerial bot. Just bag this in. That one's a big yellow. But this is very squeaky because old and knockoff, but still old. Just put this knees thing. It's easy, simple aerial bot Combiner Wars aerial bot. And just put this in here. And easy. I can also do wait. This too. There. I can do the thing. Whatever the name was. The Maverick was, I don't remember. I have never seen a movie from that. Whatever it was called. But yeah. Moving in. Moving into this dude. He is practically the same except for the arms, like I said. So back that in. Put this in. Okay, so put this in. It's basically the same. But this one is just like I showed. This. Put it in here. And then bring this down on a weird thing, on a hinge, and then this never wants to peg in correctly. Put this, and then peg this in there, and there, boom. This one's okay. This one's the worst vehicle mode and the worst airplane because it's just this ugly gray. It's just this ugly gray. It's almost the entire main color of the figure. Put this in here. Boom. Airplanes. That fell down. Okay, so I'm going to do now the combine mode. The legs. And I'm not the entire figure, but I'm going to do now the legs. I already said that. But yeah. Okay, let's bring him. They're just the same. They're exactly just the same. Just bring the combiner peg out. Then, wait, is that oh, never mind, I tell a stress mark. And, bring the hand foot gun thing. Handgun, foot, whatever. Leg. Then, him is, again, just the same. Put this in here. Then, bring that very loud ratchet joint. And then, there, boom. I'm gonna just put this here. There. Don't fall over. But there, that's just the legs. Let me just see it better. It's just the legs. And, actually, I just realized I don't know. Wait a minute. The gun foot thing. The hand with the gun fell down. And I couldn't find it. Found it. Okay, so now, like I showed off a few videos back, put this in here. I don't know if they're, I don't care if they're in the wrong orientation or not. There. That's the combine mode. I need, wait a minute. A Lego box. I use this Lego City box. Put this light in here. There, there you go. There you go. There's the combine mode again. After like what, 2 videos, but yeah, there they are. I'm gonna review this next video. You already know. This is the next video. Anyway, bye.